Hey everyone, Jody from Bird Dog Off-Road Adventures. Today we're going to show you guys our new 3/4 inch recovery jowls from Moose Knuckle Off-Road. Stay tuned. Once we saw these on an Instagram ad, we knew we just had to have them. They're pretty cool. The good thing is that once you get them on, you don't have to take them off because they have a little glue thing inside on the knuckle or the bolt. So when you screw it tight, it's on there good. It ain't gonna back out, right? Because we've lost some previous shackles that we bought because they backed out and fell off down the road somewhere. So these shouldn't have that problem. And the good thing is they're not a conventional shackle to where you just grab the hold of it and screw it by hand. You actually have little inserts on each end to tighten it with. So it makes it a lot less likely you're going to get these things stolen when you're out at Walmart or Starbucks or wherever you go spend your time at when you're not off-road. But, you know, we're going to show you how we put ours on. Get your own. We got ours in bronze, match our wheels, and we love them. All right, so here we go with the Moose Knuckle Shuffle, baby. So this thing comes with different spacers. I'm going to try to use one of the thick ones on each. So you want to screw one of these things on as tight as you can with your hand. And push another one here. And we're going to slide on that moose knuckle. We're going to slide the other piece on here. Then we're going to pipe this over here. So you're going to get these hand tight for now. That's about all you're going to be able to do. They give you these two little pieces here. You just slide those in. Make sure I do this right. And then you're going to get some wrenches here. And these are 1/4 inch. So you can do this multiple ways. So we're going to put one here, one here. You're just going to screw this till these go all the way in. Because the thing about these is once you get them on, you should never have to take them off. So those are about as tight as it's going to get. So as you can see, I think the thick slices for this bumper are pretty good. And I tell you never have to take these off again. The reason that is because you just pull this up, slide your rope in here, and then slide it back over here. So you look it through both loops, close it. Guess what? You're closed. Take it off real easy. Just pull it out, pull it out. Good to go. Man, it doesn't get much easier than that, dude. So we're going to put one on the other side, and then we'll be done. We are an affiliate, so we'll put a link down below. You guys can get your own. If you wouldn't mind, use our affiliate code. Helps us out a little bit. Plus, get you a cool-ass set of what they call jowls, recovery jowls. All right, so we're going to take the jowls here, and we're going to take one of these ends, and we're going to take the cylinder. And you'll see here, these things have a little plastic on them. That's to help keep them in. So you're going to put this in, and you're going to like twist this on. Hand tighten as far as you can go. You're not going to be able to get it all the way. At least not yet. And then we're going to get some of these thick ones here. You know, Daddy likes them thick. Slide it in the hole here. That's what she said. Alright, so there we are. Moose Knuckle Shuffle, baby. Got them both on. We're ready to recover. Hope you guys liked this video. We really enjoyed making it, and as always, we hope you'll consider hitting that like and subscribe button. We'll put our affiliate link below. Please feel free to hit that. Now, we did pay full price for these, so we didn't get like any special discounts. But like I said, we've been wanting to get these for a while. I'm glad we did. They look pretty cool. Like I said, they shouldn't fall off, and they're not quite as theft easy, so to speak. So anyway, see you guys around.